We use what to ask about things or actions. What is this? This is a watch. What are they doing? They are eating pizza. We use when to ask about the time or specific moments. When is your birthday? My birthday is on August 4th. When is the exam? It's next week Thursday at 12 p.m. We use where to ask about places or locations. Where do you live? I live in New Zealand. Where is the nearest bus stop? You can find the nearest bus stop right around the corner next to the coffee shop. We use who to ask about people. Who is coming to the party on Friday? Only my close friends and family members. Who won the tennis match? Serena Williams won the match. We use why to ask for reasons or explanations. Why were you late? I was late because I was stuck in traffic. Why is he sad? He's sad because he didn't get the job. We use which to ask for a choice or a selection. Which movie do you want to watch? Let's watch Titanic. Which season do you prefer, summer or winter? I prefer summer.